In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. So here I have some photos of the beach, which we're going to upload to Google Drive together, and I'll show you exactly how. So what you need to do is open up your web browser. So here I am on Google. What I'm going to do is do a search for Google Drive. Now you can get to Google Drive also by clicking on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then you can find Drive here, but I just like to search for it. And then once I've searched for it, we can go ahead and click on sign in. And if we're already signed into our Google account, we should be taken to Drive. Now, from here, what you can do is you can upload these photos and you can share them with other people. To do that, go new in the top left-hand corner. And what I would do, if you've got a bunch of photos or any files, I'd go ahead and create a new folder just so they're all in one place. I'm going to call this photos to share, and we'll click enter and create that folder. Now that will probably then take you to My Drive and highlight your folder, which you've just created. If it doesn't, just go to My Drive and then filter through the last modified, and then you'll find the folder you've just created. You can then double click on that and then upload your photos. To do that, click new and then click file upload, and then you can choose your files. Or if you've already got your files open in the file explorer, you can just simply highlight all of them and drag them into the folder. It will then start the upload of all of these photos. So just wait for these to be uploaded. Now, once they've uploaded, you can go ahead and right click on your folder name. Once you've done that, you need to go to share and then click on share again. Now, if we're sharing via a link, you need to go ahead and change this from restricted to anyone with the link. If you have it on restricted and you get the link, yes, people will be able to click on the link and view the photos, but before they view them, you're going to have to manually approve it every single time. So if you don't want to have to manually approve it, make sure you change this to anyone with the link. You can then choose if they can view, comment, or edit. So I'm just going to keep it on viewer. We can then copy this link. You can then give this link to anyone, and they'll be able to then open the folder by just clicking on it. Here they'll see all of the photos, which they can either double click on and preview individually, or they can download all in the top right. So that's how you do it.